Okay, today I have an Olmsted Forge folding 7-inch saw. It's got a cork handle, carbon blade, worldwide patents pending, so it says. I do believe when I got this, which has been last year, that it said it was made in the USA. I know the company's based out of Portland, Oregon. So actually where it's made, I'm not exactly sure. It's been a little bit. I've been kind of, as you can tell, I've been using this thing. It's positive closure lock, which I like. The teeth are pretty well hidden in the handle, which is another thing I like, which it doesn't grab. We got a lock there, lock straight out, and an angled lock. Kind of look like your typical arborist saw. This thing's comfortable to use with the cork handle. Now I admit, initially I was worried about the cork handle, how it'd hold up. Short of walking on it and things along that line or beating it up really bad, I use my tools. I try not to abuse them. This handle's held up great. It's ridden around in the car. It's been shoved in my pocket. It's been tossed on the ground, you know, different things as I'm using it. I haven't been exactly easy with it, but I haven't, you know, beat on it with a hammer or anything. It is cork, but it's tough. I mean, it doesn't hardly take a mark. I'm not sure how exactly it's treated or whatnot, but it is saltier than I expected. I've cut Osage with this, very dry Osage. The teeth held up well. You can see the angle of the cuts and the grinds. Which let it cut quite easily and quite well. This is red cedar, which is a very nasty thing to cut with these saws as it gums the teeth up. And the other thing I like about this over some of the other ones, it doesn't cut quite as easy as some of the other ones. It cuts quite good, but it cuts both ways. And the blade's sturdy enough you can actually do it with it. That's the trick. And it'll cut, feasibly, you can cut something longer than what your blade is by how you cut. You're going to take a while doing it with a blade like this and you're going to work. These aren't meant for that sort of thing. It can be used that way. Lots of tools can be used in ways they weren't exactly meant for, but where this shines is for hunters. If you're clearing out a fire path or anything along that line, trails, you can stick this in your pocket, hang it off your belt with a lanyard, however you want to do it. It's light. This thing weighs nothing, and it cuts really pretty good. I was kind of impressed. On their site, it claims they're running it at $20. You can find them on Amazon for $18. You wouldn't hurt yourself by getting one of these. I'm kind of impressed.